Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Hot 60i and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find sound and vibration. Here, let's localize this ringtone section, ringtone settings, but let me quickly change to the dark theme. Alright, so as I said, sound and vibration, and here we've got ringtone settings. The ringtone is divided between two different SIM cards, so you can set a completely different ringtone for the first one and different for another one. As you can see, it is also shown right now, because here we've got the expectation, and for the second one we've got elegant. So let me show you how to change the ringtone using the first one. Just tap on it, and here we've got the full list of pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. At the top we've got two different options, also two additional options. We can either tap on add ringtone and you will be transferred to your own files. So if you've got something, for example, recorded or downloaded, then it should appear somewhere here, maybe in recent files. If not, just enter File Manager or your Google Drive or downloads. It's up to you where you've saved it, and you will be able to tap on it and set it as your ringtone. Or we've got also the option none, which means that after choosing it, your device will not use any kind of sound to notify you about the incoming call. So if you wish to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to simply tap on it and your device will play it, so you can check whether you like it. So let's pretend I'd like to set this hasty option. So just tap on it, make sure that it is marked, and simply go back. You do not have to confirm anything. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, our device will use the chosen ringtone to notify us about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.